Okay, we're replacing this mount right there. Let's see if you can really see it. That one right there. Yeah. Okay. Okay, first of all, we're gonna take it on all the way out the nuts of the other two engine mounts. One is the transmission mounts, and the other one will be the one is the transmission mount by the driver's side, and the other side by the passenger side is the other engine mount. So we're gonna lose those two nuts, so that way we can lift the engine up when we're gonna remove the main engine mount. Okay, here as you can see, I already lose the nut right here. Now all the way up, just at the end, really end, as you can see right here. And it's a 14 millimeters, and then we're gonna just let it loose like that. Okay, same on the other side. Okay, with the passenger. Okay, as you can see, here is the other one on the passenger side. I just lose the nut, so just leave it off. Okay, next we're gonna lose the nut on the bottom, and then or you do the bottom or the top. It's a 15 millimeters. Okay, so we're gonna lose this one right here. Once you have everything loose, we're gonna use the jack and the piece of wood to lift the engine up, okay? Just like this, and put it underneath the oil pan and raise it up. Now you put your jack underneath the oil pan, and just lift it up all the way up. As you can see, it's going up, and just loose the engine mount. You can lift it as much as you want to, just to get it out the engine mount like this. Just gonna play with it around like this. So I'm gonna lift it a little more, and then I'm gonna use this pry bar just to get it out as well, just like this. You don't have to do that, unless you leave the engine all the way up, but I'm just gonna show you something that I did. There you go. You wanna see how I'm gonna take it out, so I'm gonna lift it all the way up, the engine with one foot, and then the other one I'm just looking at up and more up, so I got more room to get it up. You can just do by the driver's side. You can get it up by the driver's side, on this side, as you can see right now. And for some reason it was full of oil. this engine mount, just like that. See, easy peasy. That's it. Just through here and just come on down like that. Okay, so as you can see, this engine mount, this is the main front engine mount on the 2010 Buick Enclave, is totally destroyed. As you can see, the rubber is totally broken. Look, and it's full of oil. So that's it. So I'm gonna show you the new one. I bought it on O'Reilly's Auto Parts. Oh, O'Reilly Auto Parts. Ah! Oh, I'm sorry about that. I just get excited. Okay, so this is the pictures of the other mounts, but this is the one we're using right now. That's the part number for this vehicle, which is 2010 Buick Enclave. So as you can see, this is the way it's supposed to be going, like that. Move, little movement, not like this, Okay, so let's put it back on. I'm gonna squeeze it from the same side I got it out. So you can just squeeze it out through here. Yep, just like that, simple as that. And then just line it up. Yeah, there you go. You don't have to do any hard or pushing something. You just go like that. Okay. Just line it up with the two holes. Okay, at least with the one on the bottom. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm just tired. And then that's it right there. Let the pressure down now. Let the engine get it down. Put the nut. Okay, take the jack and the piece of wood out of the way. Okay, so you don't need that anymore. Just tie it up. Tie the nut all the way until it's good. There you go. And then now they're going on top. Put the nut back on. And then ready to tie it up. So now I'm gonna tie it up by hand first. There you go. I'm gonna use my ratchet. Apologize for my accent. I tried to do my best. At least you can see the video, which is better probably than my talking. There you go. Very easy peasy. And then that's it. After that, put the other two nuts back on, or the other two mounts, engine mounts, the transmission mount and the other engine mount. Okay, just tied up the nuts, and that's it, guys. That's good to go. See, just go all the way until you can tie it anymore. Okay, now tie the nuts, the transmission mount nut. Remember, that's say what, 14 millimeters? Okay. Well, this one is bigger. That's a 3/4, I think. And now the passenger side. Okay, I got the ratchet like that already. You can remove the tires, the wheels. That would be easy for you, but I didn't do it. So I still got it, did it like this. Okay, that's it. I have it back on. Thank you very much for watching my video, and have a nice day.